Hello, this is Amelia from ZHONGTUO called rolling forming machinery. And in the following part, I want to introduce one machine called the resilient leg for Canada and American market. This is the profile. It will mainly used for ceiling and drywall. In the following part, I will introduce each element of this machine one by one. Part 1. This is the decoiler with the leveling part, some kind of also automatic, or you need to put the coil at the forklift like here, and then it will go in this way. This way, this motor called feeder can make sure take the coil out and send the coil into the cage loop. As this machine, the features with punching, we want to reach the working speed to 55 or 50 meters per minute. So with this cage loop, we can make sure the coil can go into the right direction and will not go swing. As to the cage loop, we can design according to your requirement. This is from the appearance to say that this cage loop is super easier, but actually it have a lot of design secrets. We already get the pattern. The coil go into the cage loop. There's some sensors at the bottom, also has some wooden files to make sure the coil will not be damaged the surface or keep the coil clean and neat. And gradually in order to make sure the machine punching can in a high speed, we add 2 cage loop here, and then from here the coil will go to the punching station. This punching is 25 tons, but each minute it can punch 120 times, or sometimes if you can adjust it to 200 times per minute punching. And this punching machine is driven by servo motor power to make sure the punching can run very fast speed and in small noise. And after punching, and then come to another cage loop. This cage loop can be used for storage the punched sheet, and for the high-speed running machine, supply the non-stop coil. And from here, you can see the coil will not be damaged or will be some kind of bending. And then from the cage loop, it will go to the main rolling forming machines. Without punching, actually, the main rolling forming machine can reach the speed of 50 or more higher speed. But with punching, the speed will be a little slower. But we can make sure the whole machine working speed can reach with punching 45 to 50 meters per minute. Same like other machines, the frame we design with the molding frame. The thickness of the molding is around 35 meters per minute, and the connection with the main body by bolts and nuts, we use the D2 as a rollers material, and the transmission by gearbox, and the whole box body of the main frame put the motor inside of the main rolling forming machines, and we add 5 roller stations for the Türkiye Head to make sure the shape is perfect good. As to the sharing part, we design with the servo motor sharing. It's non-stop, but this way you can reach the high speed. From the coil, from the sharing part, it will come to the conveyor table and to the stacker. This stacker will design according to your real lines of the resilient leg. And then from the stacker to the another conveyor table and the package table here. The workers will do the package here, and the leg of the receiving table you can adjust according to the worker's working height. And by this way, comes to the package machine. When the sheet here, you can do the package here. And as to the pound times, you can design according to your requirements. By this pedal, you can start the package machine. And by this way, we can save the machine working space. Compare the fully automatic package system. This kind of package can save a lot of space of the factory, and it can save a lot of your money. Meanwhile, one worker can run the whole production line. So we say this resilient like machine is more economic compared to full automatic, but it can save you money, cost, workers, and if you are need of such machines, please contact us at any time. At this end, thank you.